Good morning, guys. We start our day with some mango shake and coffee, and as well this wonderful cake from Hanon. And after this, we get some fish pho in Friendship Highway. This is located in just a main road, a must-do experience that you should try when you are in Boracay. And they offer a good sunset view while pampering your feet with the ticklish experience. They don't just offer foot massage, but they also do full body massage, and they have a friendly staff there. I really enjoy it. It's my first time to experience the fish foot spa in this island. So after this, we get some lunch at Paradise Garden Resort Hotel and Convention Center. It is found in Station 3. I think this is 750 per person. So, uh, first we check their food, what's in there, and they offer unlimited iced tea or lemonade. For me, I just get a hot tea, so it's allowed. And as you can see, I have like 3 plates I finished, and they offer a sushi bar, dessert, some Korean side dish, and sashimi, and grilled seafood, lechon kawale, but they show in the front that they have lechon baboy. And voila, it's a buffet, so you can eat whatever do you want. They have some colorful dessert as well, or it's like a sticky rice and some gelatin or pudding, and just choose what do you want. So they will really catch your eyes. And they have some breads as well that you can heat it up, and some fresh fruit. Actually, not only everything, but we have watermelon. They offer salad as well, and some meat, chicken, cheese, ham, and as well already like side dish. They have Asian cuisine as well there, and Japanese and Korean. And this is my another plate, of course. It's really wonderful. And they can offer you some good food and clams. Seafoods was so nice. And I also tried their some rolls from Japanese cuisine. And of course, my choices of dessert together with my hot tea. I really like it, guys. It's so tasty, but of course I just taste a little bit, and I have some food try here. And then after the buffet, we have rest a little bit back to hotel, and our itinerary for the last activity was sunset sailing. So sunset sailing is 500 per person, including the boat and the experience. So come on, uh, let's try this also. But it's a little bit disappointing for me because I didn't watch the sunset really not really that good. So here we ride the boat, and yeah, as you can see, the sunset was about to happen. Tara, let's enjoy it. For this experience, we are 8 person. I mean 8 tourists on that one boat, and then there are two tourist guide or the driver who assist us. So after the sunset sailing, we rest a little bit and another swim again. And we plan to go back to Astoria Current to get some dinner again. So we have grilled seafood again and some clams and crabs, and Astoria Current was have a good service, so that's why we plan to have another dinner there. They have the dessert for called halo halo, or you can mix everything. It's sweet as well, but it's so worth it to eat at that night. As well, they have live band outside, so after dinner you can just sit. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.